Welcome to an in-depth look at the First National Bank of Omaha. In this video, we'll explore the bank's terms of service and uncover its key features, benefits, and drawbacks to help you make an informed decision. The First National Bank of Omaha is one of the largest privately owned banks in the U.S., with a history dating back more than 165 years. It offers a variety of services including checking and savings accounts, loans, credit cards, and online banking. Advantages: no monthly maintenance fees. Many account types waive monthly fees when balance requirements are met. Cashback rewards. Their credit cards often include lucrative cashback offers for everyday purchases. Wide accessibility. Over 4 million customers rely on its nationwide services and mobile banking app. Disadvantages: high overdraft fees. The overdraft fee can be as much as $35 per occurrence. Limited physical branches. While they have online services, in-person banking is limited to specific regions. Minimum balances. Many accounts require a balance of $500 or more to avoid fees. Service overview. Checking and savings accounts at FNBO include standard features like mobile deposit, online bill pay, and fraud monitoring. Credit cards, such as their Evergreen by FNBO, offer up to 2% cash back with no annual fees. However, their mortgage and loan services are targeted more toward long-term customers, often requiring a lengthy application process. Cost details. Monthly maintenance fees, ranging from $0 to $15 depending on account type. ATM fees, free for FNBO ATMs, up to $3 for out-of-network withdrawals. Overdraft protection. Optional services available for a monthly FEE.is. FNBO right for you? If you're comfortable managing your accounts online and value strong rewards programs, FNBO may be a good choice. However, if overdraft fees and physical accessibility are major concerns, consider alternatives. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on notifications for more expert reviews on personal finance and banking.